Welcome to the annual report sections of this course. This annual report project includes the complete guide to designing and adjusting tables in InDesign. So we will add tables and master those together. There are also dedicated sections on using Illustrator with InDesign and using Photoshop with InDesign. If you have the full Creative Cloud subscription, you should be able to follow along by downloading those apps if you haven't already. If you have an older version of InDesign from years ago that was not part of Creative Cloud, you can learn about how certain illustrations and file formats like Photoshop PSD can be placed and edited in InDesign, and how some of those can be adjusted even after we place them in InDesign, but you will need Photoshop and Illustrator to follow along with those sections, of course. Adobe has made it so that these programs work seamlessly together. For example, we can paste vector art from Illustrator to InDesign and then adjust the anchor points and paths even after they are in InDesign. We can adjust the layer visibility of Photoshop PSD files after placing them in InDesign, which helps with placing partially transparent PSD files in InDesign, for example. And we can also set the Photoshop files to certain layer comps even after placing them in InDesign. We will also go over advanced color considerations in a complete guide to color in InDesign for this project, including advanced swatch considerations, adding spot versus process colors, aliasing spot colors, using the ink manager, and much more. We will also go over professional pre-flighting techniques and considerations and more printing considerations. So let's get started designing our annual report project.